I'm Pastor Mike Bishop, co-founder of An American Speaks, a faith-based organization whose mission is simply awakening Christian citizenship. Folks, we're facing some critical issues here in Arkansas, issues being promoted for the 2020 general election just over 1 year away that will have far-reaching negative effects on our state. There's a tremendous push going on right now, circulating petitions, garnering signatures to place 3 initiatives on the 2020 general election ballot that would legalize recreational marijuana. That's why I am inviting you to join us for a special Stand Firm workshop. We will educate and equip you with materials and tools needed to convince you and others why passing legalized recreational marijuana is such a bad idea. During our evening together, we will also show highlights from the film Appalachian Dawn, a documentary about a real city in Kentucky that had all but given up hope when their community was overrun with drug problems, but how, due to the Christian community rallying together and standing up, changed the course and said simply, enough. You see, one of the biggest challenges we face when dealing with issues like this is getting people to stand firm in their convictions and beliefs. Here's a clip from that documentary.
People got tired of burying the kids.
We can't go get those people back. They're gone.
It just finally got to a boiling point where people just absolutely said, that's enough.
We have got to take our community back.
They began to pray for a solution, and they started taking action.
You can't put it in words, what it was like, just knowing that something's getting ready to happen.
This is serious, and we need everyone to become educated, equipped, and encouraged to stand firm against legalized recreational marijuana. So please join us Sunday night, September 22nd at 6 p.m. We will meet at Rogers First Church of the Nazarene, located at 4911 West Pleasant Grove Road in Rogers. We ask you to keep our state in prayer and pray that God's will be done. For more information, call us at 501-725-0219. God bless you all.